Unlock wholesale pricing in WooCommerce and give your bulk buyers exclusive discounts. Let's get straight into it. For example, in this particular product, retail price is $24. However, for our wholesale customers, we are giving them some bulk discounts. If they buy 25 to 49 units, we can see they're getting it for $18, and over 50 units, they're getting it for $15. And this is specifically for our B2B customers only. If you want to add wholesale pricing to your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to wholesalewp.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded the Wholesale WP plugin, just go ahead and upload that plugin. So we go plugins, add new, upload and install it. Once you've done so, you'll see this Wholesale WP menu here. All right, when we click on it, the first thing you might want to do is go ahead and navigate over to groups, because we want to go ahead and create our wholesale groups. All right, so we just click add new. So I've already got a few groups here. Let's go ahead and click add new just to show you what it's like. And then we'll give it a name. So we can say wholesale here 2. And we'll click create group. And the reason for this is now that we've got our groups, we can add various different customers into this group and then give them wholesale prices and a whole array of other B2B specific features, B2B payment options, request a quote, and so much more. We can add our customers here to that group, or we can create a checkout form that our wholesale customers has to fill in. And once they fill in that information, we can automatically assign them to this group, for example, or we can manually assign them as well. I'll leave a link in the description below to a different video showing you how to create a wholesale registration form. All right, click Save Changes. Now we can head over to our products. In a separate video, I'm going to show you how to bulk assign wholesale pricing on your WooCommerce store. We just want to keep it super simple. So let's have a look at this product, for example. Here, scroll down and we can see the regular retail price here is $129. That's fine. And here we've got our various different wholesale group in which we can assign different pricing to. For example, for a wholesale customer, we can say the regular price is $88. We can add a sale price as well, and we can give them a bulk discount if you so choose. So for example, if we could say the purchase for 10 units and the price will be, let's say $80. Let's add another tier. Let's 35 units, price is $76 per unit, and a final tip 60 and above. The price is 74 units. And then here we've got this handy preview of what it will look like on the front end. Once you're happy with everything, you just need to go ahead and hit Save Changes. And this works exactly the same for variable products as well. We'll have a quick look at a variable product. So we've got some wholesale specific options. Let's just go to variations. And when we click on a variation, again, just like on a single product, here we can go ahead and specify our wholesale price per group. One last thing before we close off this video is let's head over to Wholesale WP and then settings, and we'll go price and product display. And here we can show the B2C price to the B2B users as a recommended retail price. So we can hit Save Changes. Now that we've added a recommended retail price for our B2B customers, let's quickly see how that looks on the front end. So I'm now logged in as a wholesale customer. Now the retail price is $24 and the wholesale price starts at $20. I'll leave a link to our wholesale playlist so you can learn how to add a bulk order form and more wholesale specific features for your B2B customers. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you got any questions, leave it in the comment box.